Hello everyone, it's Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholique. This is Mr. Kitty's Big Bead Bonanza. This is a bag of jewelry making inspiration. There are so many things in this bag that I know I want to work with, but I need to open it up and see what's in here. So here's some wire loops, some bead frames, some chain, and oh my gosh, a whole strand of dagger beads, some leather, some pinch beads, another beautiful strand of check glass, pendants, and then look at all these loose beads. This is just so much fun packed in a bag, and I'm seeing so many beads I want to work with. You can just literally string all of these up and make a really fun and fabulous, crazy mixed up Mr. Kitty's Big Bead Bonanza necklace. Look at this bird bead. So cool. There's some metal in here, pendants, all kinds of really interesting things to work with. So I've got some bangles, and I love to do wire wrapping on bangles. So I grabbed some 24 gauge artistic wire, and I think I'm going to start with wire wrapping this strand of dagger beads onto this bangle. So this bangle is a solid brass bangle, and it's 1.5 millimeter around in the diameter of the actual bracelet metal. And the 24 gauge wire will wrap really nicely around this. So I'm starting off by just wrapping about 2 inches around and getting like 3 or 4 tight wraps to get my piece started. You can do this in a messy wrap or a very succinct wrap. I'm going to cut off my excess, and then I'm going to start wire wrapping on these dagger beads. Now I want to hold that dagger bead on top of the bangle, so giving it a little bit of room so it can move around. I want these daggers to move around a little bit like leaves. So I'm wrapping next to it, and I'm allowing it to have some movement with the wire that went through the bead. So you'll see here those beads can move around. So this is going to make for a really fun and cool bangle bracelet. Now I found a bunch of these cool coin beads that are in a really lovely shade of green. They complement these dagger beads so nicely. So I'm going to put that onto my wire and wire wrap around. Now, I'm not saying you're going to have the same beads I had, so you may end up with some drop beads or some other kinds of beads, but let's face it, in this Mr. Kitty's Big Bead Bonanza bag, you're going to have lots of things that you can wrap around a bangle. So if you pick up the bangle, you can grab a whole mix of beads from this bag, and you'll have lots of fun designs that you can come up with. I fell in love with the daggers, but there are lots of other things in this bag that will certainly tickle my fancy to make another one of these. So I'm just creating a really fun wrapped piece, and I am alternating between 3 and 4 daggers between those coin beads, and I absolutely love the way this looks. It has a little bit of a vine effect when you wrap those beads on and they've got that movement. Super fun. So if you want to use daggers and you don't have them in your bag, there's lots of daggers at beadaholique.com that you can choose from. So you can always add wire. So I usually use about 2 feet of wire, and then when I run out, I just add more, and it can just blend right into the wire wrapping that you've already done. And you can use your chain nose pliers to tighten up any of the ends that you might need. Now I've got a gap here that I think I want to fill with something else. And these check drops in kind of a blue color with a Picasso finish, super cool. And I thought they might make a really interesting and unique wrapped bead around this bangle. So I think they almost look like drops of water. So going with my vine theme theme. These are drops of water that are coming off the vine. Super fun, interesting, maybe not for everybody, but you can certainly choose your own beads from Mr. Kitty's Big Bead Bonanza and do some wrapping around a bangle. I love how this looks. It's so much fun. All right, so I have an expandable charm bangle, and I like that it has this little jump ring where the sizable section is. Now, you could wrap around this bangle if you like, allowing enough room for the sizable aspect, but I'm grabbing some head pins, and I'm just gonna grab 3 fun beads from this bag, wire wrap them, and add them to that jump ring in that spot. So you've got a cool bangle with just a little bit of a fun accent. Now, there are a ton of beads to choose from in this bag. So I found a check glass frog bead and that beautiful pearlish looking bead. And then there's a leaf bead that I did some fun wire wrapping with to accent the other two. So look at that. Such a fun, simple little project. And I could do so many of them. Look at all these fun choices to use. So I've got 2 really fun bracelets, easy to make bracelets, and they all came from this bag of beads. Now, I have a ton of beads left over, some strands left, and all those loose beads. This is everything I have left. Get your Mr. Kitty's Big Bead Bonanza at beadaholic.com. Thanks for watching.